Makita is a name pros trust, and this year they're raising the bar. Faster, smarter tools built for tough jobs with less effort and time. From heavy-duty gear to smart outdoor equipment, this lineup has it all. In this video, we'll showcase 20 of Makita's newest releases and why they're worth grabbing before they sell out. When projects move into structural work, clean holes through thick steel are critical, and that's where the Makita PP001G steel hole punch shines. It punches through up to 20 millimeters of steel or stainless in one smooth operation, producing clean holes without rough edges or extra finishing. Unlike drilling, punching avoids heat buildup, metal shavings, and time-consuming deburring, saving hours on repetitive jobs. Built solid at 11.6 to 12.8 kilograms, it's designed to handle serious reaction forces. Operation is simple. Position the tool, punch the hole, and move on. At just 77 decibels, it's surprisingly quiet, with vibration limited to 2.5 meters per second squared or less to reduce strain. Compact enough for tight spaces, powered by the 40V XGT system, it delivers consistent strength across every charge. Dust and debris build up fast during finishing and fabrication, and the Makita UB002G blower keeps your workspace clear. With variable trigger control and 3 air volume settings, it delivers up to 3.6 cubic meters per minute of airflow and speeds near 99 meters per second through the standard nozzle, powerful enough to clear dust in a single pass. Its 4-function design includes both blowing and vacuum capability, so you can move or collect debris as needed. Using a BL4025 battery, runtime ranges from 20 minutes on high to 120 minutes on low. Optional garden nozzles expand its use outdoors, while sealed suction reaches 5.4 kilopascals for light vacuum work. At just 84 decibels and weighing 2 to 3.5 kilograms, it's lightweight, quiet, and built for long cleanup sessions without fatigue. For demolition, rough cutting, and heavy material removal, the Makita JR003G reciprocating saw tackles jobs other saws struggle with. Powered by the 40V XGT system, it delivers up to 2,200 strokes per minute with a 26mm stroke length, cutting through 255 millimeters of wood or pipes up to 220 millimeters in diameter, including cast iron and steel. Its standout feature is the chain vise, clamping large pipes securely for controlled, accurate cuts. A brushless motor with constant speed control maintains performance even under resistance, while a horizontal crank counterweight design reduces vibration to keep your hands going longer. 5 speed settings let you match the saw to different materials, extending blade life, and an LED battery indicator prevents surprise shutdowns. Rugged, reliable, and built for demanding work, this saw is a powerhouse for demolition and fabrication. Tying rebar by hand drains energy fast. Your hands get sore, the motion is repetitive, and tie quality varies from worker to worker. The Makita GRT001 eliminates that struggle. It's the world's first 40-volt max 16-gauge rebar tying tool, built to deliver consistent professional results every time. Ties are up to 65% stronger than traditional hand tying, helping maintain structural integrity. On a single charge, it can complete up to 3,600 ties of number 3 by number 3 rebar, dramatically boosting job site productivity. A smart wire dispensing system feeds the exact amount needed, reducing waste and material costs, supporting wire mesh up to number 9 by number 8 rebar. With 6 adjustable tie strength settings, this tool is purpose-built for efficiency and reliability. Detailed cutting work demands control, power, and smooth handling, and the Makita J0001G cordless jigsaw is built for precision. With up to 700 watts of output, it cuts wood up to 135 millimeters, mild steel up to 10 millimeters, and aluminum up to 20 millimeters. Variable stroke speed ranges from 800 to 3,500 strokes per minute, letting you slow down for curves or speed up for straight cuts. A 26mm stroke length boosts efficiency through thicker materials, while a bayonet shank accepts standard blades for versatility. Bevel adjustments from 0 degrees to 45 degrees make angled and decorative cuts possible. At just 2.6 to 2.9 kilograms without the battery, it's easy to control during longer sessions. Reduced vibration minimizes fatigue, and at 90 decibels, workshop noise stays manageable. Compact, powerful, and precise, this jigsaw is built for serious detail work. Reaching high branches is always risky with ladders and heavy gas tools. The Makita XAU03 pole saw makes overhead cutting safer, easier, and far more controlled. This 18V LXT cordless saw extends from 6 to 9 feet, giving you up to 14 feet of working reach, perfect for residential and commercial trimming. The split shaft design allows quick length adjustments, while 9 angle positions provide 120 degrees of working range, so you can approach each cut naturally. A brushless motor delivers strong performance, making up to 500 cuts through 2x2 seater on a single 5.0 amp-hour battery. With a translucent bar oil tank, wide refill opening, and soft grip handle, it's built for convenience. And with zero emissions and lower noise, it's ideal for neighborhood jobs. When precision matters, the Makita SP001G cordless plunge saw delivers clean, accurate cuts without the hassle of cords. Built for controlled cross-cuts and angled cuts across a wide range of materials, it uses a 6.5-inch blade with cutting capacity up to 56 mm at 0 degrees and 40 mm at 45 degrees. Variable speed control ranges from 2,500 to 4,900 RPM, letting you match the cut to hardwood, softwood, or composites. A brushless motor ensures consistent power, reduced maintenance, and longer tool life. With bevel adjustment from -1 degree to 48 degrees, it's perfect for detailed joinery and precise beveled cuts. Operating at just 89 decibels, it delivers strong performance without excessive noise. Compact and portable, it's easy to move between job sites while maintaining accuracy. Dust from cutting and sanding can quickly turn any workspace into a hazard if cleanup is ignored. The Makita CL001G cordless vacuum is built to handle job site cleanup with efficiency and quiet operation. Powered by a 40-volt Max XGT battery, it delivers 125 watts of suction, stronger than most cordless vacuums in its class. A redesigned airflow system keeps noise low, making it suitable for workshops and active sites. 4 selectable power modes with memory function recall your preferred setting every time. With a 730 milliliter dust capacity, it runs up to 128 minutes on low or 25 minutes on high, using a BL4040 battery. A built-in LED light improves visibility. One-touch push buttons simplify use, and multiple nozzles adapt to different surfaces. Compact yet powerful, it turns cleanup into part of the workflow instead of an afterthought. After making precise cuts, achieving perfectly smooth surfaces requires serious sanding power, and that's where the Makita BS001G belt sander steps in. Running a 76 mm by 533 mm belt, it speeds from 120 to 470 meters per minute, gives you the choice of fast material removal or controlled finishing. Automatic belt tracking keeps alignment straight, saving sandpaper and preventing uneven results. The flush sanding design on the front and right side lets you work right up to edges and corners without overshooting. A lock-on function holds your speed during long sessions, while the front handle improves control. It can even be mounted for stationary use. With vibration kept at 2.5 meters per second squared or lower and a weight of just 4.5 to 5.1 kilograms, it's powerful yet portable, perfect for professional finishing work. Once surfaces are sanded smooth, the next challenge is applying finishes evenly, and doing it by hand often leaves swirl marks or uneven coverage. The Makita PS001G Scrubber Polisher solves that with 3 clear speed settings: 600 RPM for heavy cleaning or cutting compounds, 350 RPM for standard polishing, and 150 RPM for fine finishing. It accepts 190 mm brushes and 200 mm floor pads, making it versatile for both wood finishing and surface cleaning. A touch-free attachment system lets you swap heads with a button press, keeping hands clean. The telescopic pole extends from 1,081 to 1,435 millimeters for overhead reach, while runtime ranges from 30 to 140 minutes depending on speed. With battery warnings, an adjustable handle, and a weight between 4.4 and 5.6 kilograms, it's built for comfort and control during long sessions. And that wraps up the latest Makita tool release. Makita is clearly stepping up to make your New Year projects easier and more enjoyable. To stay ahead of the curve, hit subscribe, because whenever a new tool hits the market, we bring it straight to you. Drop a comment to share which Makita tools you're using, which ones you're skipping, and what you'd like to see Makita develop next.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.